If you suffer from arthritis, whether it's rheumatoid, osteoarthritis, or gout, this video is for you. There's an incredible herb likely growing in your backyard that can significantly reduce pain and inflammation: stinging nettle. This plant has tiny, needle-like hairs that inject compounds like formic acid, the same found in bee stings and ant bites. While it may cause a mild sting, this reaction can actually trigger your body's natural anti-inflammatory response, easing joint pain. Stinging nettle has been used for centuries by Romans, Egyptians, and herbalists worldwide. It's incredibly easy to grow, nutrient-rich, and even acts as a natural aromatase inhibitor, helping balance hormones. Some people eat it in soups, teas, or salads, but for arthritis relief, I recommend applying it topically. Just grab a glove, pick some fresh leaves, and rub them on sore joints: your hands, knees, shoulders, or even your big toe. At first, you'll feel a tingling sting, but as the plant's compounds absorb, the pain and stiffness will fade fast. Use it several times a day, and you might just find yourself pain-free. If you found this helpful, give this remedy a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural health tips.